Hey there, and this is a continuation of building a trailer, like I said I was going to do, for her solar panels. So I probably got a little carried away, but here we are. Made 8 foot by 48 wide, and right now I've just got a 4x4 holding the front. I used the old axle here off of that foldable trailer, and I got U-bolts, and U-bolted it on here. Of course, I made a square frame out of the 2x4s, and then I cut the middles. Was it 42 wide, and then I had some scrap plywood kicking around, and then I just screwed them on here. So next step is going to be go ahead and get these panels on. Now these are portable panels, which means they fold up and then you take them with you. They do connect right here all the way across. So what I'm going to do is I am going to make them permanent. So I'm going to get some U-links, and I'm going to go ahead and clamp them over the top of these, put it together, and then secure it down on the trailer platform. Front section here now, I'm going to have to do something up front here. They do come with those there, so those will connect across here. And then I guess the last, as long as the back is secured, then I can go ahead, I can put a long bolt, a long screw through that hole, and that'll keep the bottom parts down, in case wind comes along. But like I said, I'm going to put these right over the foldable support on the back, screw them down, and that'll keep them secured in the back, like so. I'll put probably two. I can put them like this, lock it here, put another one here, and then I can go all the way across, lock them all in, or probably can do every other support, or just one here, all the way across. I do have enough room on that trailer to put another set of 4 on there, and that will beef it up, because this is a 100-watt solar panel kit, and then if I got another 4 of them, we can increase that to 200 watts of daytime. 200 watts of daytime power. And then, of course, you can take those 200 watts, and then you're gonna get a DC inverter, which we've already got, for 400 watts, and then crank it up. That's the battery she got. She got a 400-watt inverter, and of course then you got the rest of it. Now you can go get one of these up to 4. You can hook up to 4 kits with this universal connector for connecting up to 4 100-watt solar panel systems. So that's 400. That'd be 400 watts by itself, and then you'd be able to get a bigger battery, just like you're going to want this type of battery here. You can get as many of these batteries as you want, put them in series, and there you go. So you can carry a heck of a lot of wattage as you build it up. A project that I am looking to do is I'm looking to get a electric vehicle, all electric. And there you go. Once you get an electric vehicle, you're paying approximately 18 cents 18 cents a gallon equivalent in electric power into a car. So what you'd want to do is build yourself a solar paneled electric station at your home, and then that's free energy. It would be free. It'd be free energy to charge your car. So the only time you'd have to pay is if you're in traveling and you had to stop and plug in somewhere. But other than that, you'd come home and plug it into a solar panel system. It's got your batteries, and it's charging your batteries. And then during the day, it's charging the batteries that are charging your electric EV. So that's something to think about. Anyway, I know most people are, a good percentage of the population is hating the idea of going to electric vehicles, but there's ways to drive for free now after you pay off the car. That's the only thing. You got to pay off the vehicle first before you actually make a killing in your driving. Up until that point, you're paying a mortgage on your vehicle, but if you're driving a regular vehicle and you're paying a mortgage on it, you're stuck putting gas in it at $5 a gallon. So anyway, it's something to think about. Just an update on my solar panel trailer. What I did is I got all this panel screwed down. I left some room in between. No need in freaking doing a complete panel. But what I did here is I took a conduit clamp. I got to get 3 more, and then I screwed it to that to hold that in place. And then I took some long steel roofing screws and I screwed it on, 2 in the middle and 1 on each end. And then of course the metal section here are connected together with those little plates. And of course your back ones are done the exact same way. So those panels aren't going anywhere. I don't think they'll go anywhere in 70 mile-an-hour winds. And as far as I have a spare battery that goes with my my searching for equipment, and I got that sitting in there right now. The controller is sitting right here. I'm probably gonna make up a box for that to go in, and then of course you're gonna hook that. Well, actually, you're gonna hook your inverter off of your battery, and it's gonna connect to whatever you're gonna run. So the inverter is going to be inside the building. Maybe not. I may have it connected. Put it right here. Like I said, I got to build a little box that everything can go in. It'll be right on the front. And then I got to get 2 more tire, similar to this one here, and then put it right here so it can pull it around. It doesn't have to be put on a ball or anything to roll it around, just pull it around. So that's the update for that. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. And we'll catch you on Dana's Around the House.